Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your birthday as a user on X, formerly known as Twitter. It is simple and I'm going to guide you through this. So head over to X, log into your account, and here on your home feed click into profile to access your profile, and next click into this button, and here scroll down till you get to the birth date. Click into it and make sure that you click into edit here. And that's it. After that, set your birth date below, like select your month, the day, and also the year. Select who you would like to give the permission to see it, only you, or for example, public, or your followers, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, click into save here, or remove your birth date if you'd like to remove your current birth date. So let me do that for demonstration purposes. And there you go. As you can see, the birth date has been removed. Now, to confirm your edits or changes, click into save. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.